What is up, you guys? It's Alex from Pretty Thoughts Vlogs, and today we are going to go with another product review. So think about it, right? So 2000s, 1900s, what are you thinking? Like, as in like TV show wise, like Disney Channel. I'm thinking movies like Cheetah Girls and stuff like that, blah blah blah. That's So Raven, right? Or what else? It's some other shows. It's like bomb shows. I just can't name it right off. But one of them is Lizzie Mcguire, right? You remember Lizzie Mcguire, you remember her style, you remember all the scenarios that happened and all the stuff that she would get into. And then like you have like that little small character of herself actually like expressing like her feelings and everything, like, you know, in her diary and stuff, right? Well, Profusion teamed up with her, Lizzie Mcguire, and the outer packaging is totally bomb. And I look on Instagram and her, like the audio from her show, oh my gosh, like it's coming back, okay? It's coming back. So we're gonna go in and we're going to look at the pigments. The pigments are giving and then like you can see like the flower shapes, the shimmers, and it's giving like a throwback, like you're being instantly thrown back into that time era. And so these are the names of the palettes, like the eyeshadow. So we have Dear Diary, Bye Bye, Miranda, Kate, Gardo, Outfit Repeater. Remember Outfit Repeater? That's what I was talking about with the Instagram audio. And Slumber Party, BFF, Secrets, Totally Lizzie, Picture Day, Outfit Remember, okay? So Hottie Alert, Audi, and Seriously Not Cool. This is Seriously Not Cool. These are the last one. And I just love these. I instantly love these shadows because number one, purple. I love purple, and purple is my favorite. So purple is my favorite. Purple, pink, Totally Lizzie is pink, and I really like that. I'm not too keen on Miranda, but I mean, like, we could try it, but not today though. Probably another time. Right now, we're probably going to most likely try either the Picture Day, Hottie Alert, or BFF, or so in between these, because the theme is jeans. As you can see, the theme is jeans, and I have a jean dress, and we're just gonna try it out. Right now, we're gonna do swatching first, so let's swatch these shadows. So this is my favorite part. I love peeling this off. Oh, by the way, this is from Walmart. It was like $9 or $10. A little ASMR. And so it comes with a mirror too. It was a mirror that I liked. It's like furry and orange, and it had her, but it was just like, I don't know if I wanted to buy it because like I don't know. I ain't really was a fan of the mirror, I guess. It was kind of like, if I would have bought it, it's because I would fantasize of getting the palette and the mirror. And it's just like, it's orange, and I'm not a big fan of orange. So, but that's the thing though. Her theme was orange and everything like that. So it does come with a mirror. It's $9. No, I think this was $5. The other one was $9. There was something that was $14. I don't know if this was $14. I'm not sure. But it's between there. It's very affordable. And so we're gonna start off with, we're gonna actually roll back our wrist. Well, roll back our robe and try Dear Diary. So Dear Diary is like, it kind of reminds me of the highlighter that I got, the Profusion highlighter. gonna go right here. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of it's like a bluish tint to it. Hold on, let's get into, it's a bluish tint in it. Bye-bye. This is bye-bye. It looks, oh, that's pretty. It's like a purple. It's a purple. And then you got Miranda. Let's get into Miranda. Oh, it looks like a gold. But it's not. It's like yeah, it's a gold. It's like a gold. It looks green, but it's a gold. And then you have Kate. Kate right here. Kate right here. I like this shade. No lie. It's an orange. It's like a peaches orange. And then we're gonna use our thumb for Gordo. I don't like Gordo. Gordo's bland. Oh, it's a pink. It's a pinkish nude. Alright, so let me clean off my fingers and finish. Next, we're gonna try Outfit Repeater. Ooh, pretty purple. I love purple. I'm a sucker for purple, as you can see. That is so pretty. I love that purple. That is so pretty. Okay, so let's go on with the Slumber Party. Slumber Party. It's a nice purple. It's like a whitish purple, kind of like a pastel maybe. All right, BFF Secrets. That looks like, it's a blue, but it looks white on the camera, but it's blue. It's like a nice baby blue. Nice baby blue. Lizzie, Totally Lizzie is like, I love this pink. The camera don't do its justice. Look at that. That is pretty. It's like a pinkish in one angle and then blue. And then that is pretty. Alright, so I'm probably gonna have to use Total Lizzie. I'm so sorry, because Total Lizzie is pretty. Alright, so Picture Day. Let's try Picture Day on my thumb, and then I have to clean it again. Picture Day looks similar to Lizzie though. Let's try it. Yeah, Picture Day and Totally Lizzie is similar. It's just the Picture Day one is like a blue. Definitely a blue for sure. All right, clean. It is nice and clean. So we're gonna go with Outfit Repeater. I've been trying to, that is pretty. That is pretty. I haven't had a palette like pigment like that. That is pretty. Look at that emerald. It looks like an emerald. Aquamarine. It looks kind of like that. All right, so Hottie Alert. That's what I've been trying to try. Haven't had a pigment like that. That is pretty. A little bit. All right, so we're gonna go on our hand right here, and we're gonna just swatch it. That is pretty. It kind of reminds me of this one, but just a deeper color. All right, and then ring finger, we're gonna go with that's what I've been doing with this palette. It looks similar. It looks the same. You see, it looks the same. So I don't like that. You have two colors in one box. All right, so this one is Audi. I like Audi. Audi's pretty. I love Audi. Audi's pretty. And then lastly, Seriously Not Cool, right? That's a good shimmer right there. Oh, it's easy to come off too. You gotta be careful with that one. And we're gonna go right here on my hand in the middle. It's all right. I like it though. I love it actually. So out of all these colors though from this palette, the two turned me off because these two look similar. It's just a shade darker. These two right here turned me off, but all the other colors, I think this might be one of my favorite palettes after the Betty Boop. I'm not sure. So let's test it out. Actually, I'm in love. I'm in love. Let's test it out, see how it is, and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I really love it. So I used the Audi and the Picture Day and Hottie Alert and BF Secret. So I used like 4 pigments, and I actually cheated a little bit, and let me tell you how I cheated. So I used Lottie Nutmeg. I used the nutmeg in the crease just to like brown it out, because I knew I was going to use Audi and I just wanted to flow in with my skin complexion. So I used a little bit of Lottie. So if you have Lottie, make sure you use that first before you put any color in. So other than that, Lizzie Mcguire palette, especially with the sparkles from Picture Day, I would give it a 10. I love Lizzie Mcguire. I love her show. And I honestly feel like this is a great palette. If you are a Barbie on a budget, like I said, Barbie on a budget, go for Lizzie Mcguire. It is worth the hype. Now, for my lips, I actually did a video of the lip gloss. If you actually want to look at the video and look at the product review, it is in my playlist, or I'm just gonna post it up in the video, like the link, so that you can actually take a look. So I used lip gloss, and I used the Hard Candy Glitterazzi. I had this for a minute and still can't pronounce it, but the shimmer is crazy. Let me show you how it looks. It is beautiful. I used a brown liner on the outer, and then I used the Glitterazzi in the inner, and then I just used a nice gloss. You can get it from the hair store. It's like $1 or $2, and just put it over, and there you have it. It's really, really pretty, really nice and subtle, and yeah, I actually love it. So please get this. I used the end of it where it has like the glitter gloss. Lipstick, I don't know how it'll look because I didn't try it. I just tried it because like the glitter part, like the gloss part, because it's easy to put on. A little bit goes a long way. Let me just tell you that. A little bit goes a long way. Please do not put too much, because the purple is gonna overpower the gloss. So a little bit goes a long way. Just put it in the inner, and then the brown on the outer, and then just put gloss, and then you have a beautiful lip gloss combination. I give this look about a 10 because if you look forward, it is like a brown, like a blue, not a brown, but a blue shimmer on the inner, and if you look on the side, you have the purple, the Audi, all that stuff. So I give this look a 10. I would actually rock it multiple times, like every now and then. It goes with the jean look. It's not too overpowering. It's not like old fashioned. It does give a little 90s, 2000 vibe. Although the big eyelashes is not 90s or 2000. It was more natural looking, but it does accentuate the look. But yeah, a good eyelash, let me tell you, a good eyelash will put a look together. First off, if you go, I say this multiple times, if you go to Dollar Tree, go on the beauty aisle and get a cat eye shape, or even just a baby doll shape, you will put your whole look together at a low price. Because I know in this economy, it's very, 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 very hard. And you want to look your best. And my best bet is to go to Dollar Tree, get yourself a good eyelash set. Go to Walmart, get yourself a good palette like Lizzie Mcguire. Pure Profusion has been killing it for many years. I actually started out my makeup journey with Profusion with the brushes, and they have amazing quality. So Profusion, you can go to Burlington to get some palettes and put a good look together. And if you want to just continue on observing more looks with me, I don't mind actually posting videos up for you so that you can follow along. So thank you guys so much. If you actually want a step-by-step makeup tutorial, I also have a previous video on how I do like my looks and everything. But if you want another one with another look, just comment below and tell me what you want and what products you want me to try, and I will actually show everyone how it's done. So thank you so much for actually viewing my video. Leave a like, please subscribe, and stay tuned for the next product review. Thank you guys so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.